Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to find latest nearby popping restaurants, bars and places around Google Maps. So first of all, you click on the Google Maps app. By default you'll be led to the explore page. When you zoom in and zoom out of Google Maps, it automatically refreshes and shows you recent nice places or popular places around the area. You can swipe out and go to other locations, for example, Cambridge. You zoom in and then you see the latest in Cambridge. Also, at the top, you can click on restaurants around the area. You can see open now, top rated, and co, which are the filters for the restaurants. You can also click on groceries to find the most rated, let's say top rated. We can see Montego's Market and co. You can click on open now and so on and so forth, depending on where you zoom in and zoom out on Google Map. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.